Hi everyone, it's Clinton from Home Drafting Design back here at 4004 Pelmo Park in Port Hope. Last we were here, you saw the stick framing that was done, the roof was on, but we really didn't get a full idea of what it was going to look like when it was finished. Now you can see that we have stonework up, siding has been finished, we've got fascia and trough being put on, and some of the upstairs finishes have been completed. So why don't we go inside and take a look how things are progressing. Come on. So one of the cool features of this garage is versatility. And you'll notice on the ceiling here, there's some wires that have been dropped in preparation. Once this is completed, there'll actually be space for a projector to shoot against the side wall and speakers that will be inserted into the ceiling to allow for a surround sound experience, using this garage as not only a space for all of his toys, but also as a place for entertainment. Well, that's our time here at Pelmo Park today. Stay tuned for next time. We'll be coming back to see what the final product actually looks like. So stay tuned for that. Look forward to seeing you then.